Their parents provide cell phone their child. They have to guide them.
But do all the parents guide their children? This
Yes.
is my question.
This is parents' responsibility.
So do
They
all
have to
the
guide the
parents-
children
well,
how to
do
use
all-
cell phone, what is used in cell phone.
They are their
That
parents.
is right, but you see, do all the parents, supervise their kid? Do all the parents look after what their kids are doing or not? You see, I have seen
Right?
a
All
lot
the
of
parents
parents.
not capable to supervise their children.
Yes, that is my point. I have seen a lot of classmates of mine and a lot of people whose parents.
Each and everything has.
Let me complete, please.
No, why I will complete you. Each and everything has exception. If
It
someone.
is
I am
it is
not-
digital era. Nowadays, digital era.
Well, I'm not opposing that we shouldn't use phones. I'm just saying that kids shouldn't be allowed to use phone except for their educational purposes. They should be, given phones and smartphones only for education and not for anything else.
Sir, I don't understand what was her question.
Her concern was this thing, she is speaking 8 that she had already experienced the same thing which we are discussing right now. It means so far the friendship was going very good, healthy conversation, quality time the people were spending with themselves, and in between what happened exactly, one buddy got the cell phone and another buddy again got the cell phone, and now the total conversation converted into only cell phone.
Yes, and about
All got separated.
Sir, it is the requirement of the today's world because everyone has a lot of pressures of study, work. So cell phone is very important to all of us because cell phone will all be connected.
Matter is what? We aren't opposing the cell phone. We have to understand we aren't opposing. What the people they are speaking, these people, these guys, they are saying that this is very essential thing. We can't go without it, but exactly there should be a certain age limit also for that. If they are under 10, so what is the need by this time? They must get for whole life, but after completing 10th, they are speaking this thing.
Yes, sir,
This thing.
Let me complete.
Please.
I will give some certain example.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Fetch.
nowadays, school conditions not better everywhere.
I agree with that education thing you're saying. I agree. I completely
Let
agree
me
that.
complete. Let me complete. Then you. Right?
Go ahead.
Nowadays, phone is very helpful for study purpose. Even nowadays, everywhere not very well conditioned school in our country. They are helpful.
Even if the condition is good as well, this can assist more. Even we don't deny this thing, everywhere the condition of the education is very worse. But if even you want to speak this thing, see in the matter of judging the advantages and disadvantages, you people are matured enough. College student, matured people, they are quite matured exactly to justify, to judge them whether what is good and bad for them, the merits and demerits. But basically right now the conversation is happening, this matter is going on. For that exactly, we are basically concerned for the kids. So how the kids they can judge this thing, what is good and bad for them? Almost they will be influencing, they will be indulging themselves into this sort of activities.
Times use mobile phone misuse, then eyes problem today's how to.
What about the problem of the eyesight of the kids exactly? If they every time keep on watching the cell phone, so they have to study as well. Nowadays you find as much the kids they have to study itself, they are losing their eyesight. How they will be protecting their eyes? It is her concern. What do you people want to say? Number of the videos, he is saying number of the videos, they are there. Children, they can utilize their time watching those sort of the videos, and what will be happening exactly, that they will be utilizing the time, they will not be killing their time in any bad activities. In their spare time also they can study. Apart from your school and study time, again they have a strong reason them to keep learning. And with the edutainment, they can also learn a lot from the cell phone by the help of the cell phone. All parents, they are not enabled or capable enough to guide them. So cell phone is one type of assistant every time with them. So what is the problem with the kids? They are using them and learning something from them.
It totally depend on the student, what they are watching. We are not just focusing on indulging the parents, or they were not getting the phones or not get watched in the phones. This totally depend on the student what they are watching or not. So I think.
possibility of getting inspiration and
Yes,
getting
yes.
some good things, it's very low because they are kids. We are not talking about any mature people. So kids easily can be influencing by anything because whatever they would see there in the social media or anywhere, they will find it realistic. We can judge it. We can whether we are not there to be wooed. We are not there to be trapped. Because we are mature, we can easily understand who are there to woo you, who are there to mislead you, and who are there to guide you.
Sure, but according to your recent research, it
Hmm.
has been proven that the rays that comes out of the phone and all those devices,
Hmm.
such as including laptop also,
Hmm.
so, including all the devices,
Hmm.
so that is the main reason for the eyesight damage, and it
Hmm.
has been estimated that around 2025,
Hmm.
50%, that is half of the population of the world will have myopia.
And we
That's
must,
a big
yes, and we must consider this thing as well. If we are talking about kids, so possibility of losing their eyesight in this age, it is a lot.
Yes.
This is a lot.
What about very informative contents like
Yes,
politics,
yes.
politics,
Yes.
National Geographic?
Yes.
What about that?
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
Hmm.
By childhood, if he use cell phone continuously, he will be introvert. After become introvert, so he will not be sociable.
Provide cell phone and social media more important, knowledgeable videos and more world are knowledgeable.
We should not give smartphone to the children
Hmm.
because crime and fraud. Is this the solution?
use cell phone and his and her concentrated power will be decreased. Then I no allowed children for cell phone.
It will be influencing their mind because they are very kid,
Yes, sir.
and will be
Yeah.
influencing their concentration will be distract. They will not be they would not be able to give their 100%
Yes.
toward their study. They will be
Sir.
lacking their study.
So nowadays YouTube man, in this YouTube reels, reels makes in a magic.
Using of cell phone and other physical activities and all, you have to do routine, make a routine when you are playing, when you are
record your screen. So when the parents will come, they will monitor and they can suggest their kids that
90%
you
of the
have
people-
seen, but we are seeing
You
that
told your
most
point,
of the people
in
not
a
about
song.
that physical meeting. So you cannot go every time if you have to meet. You cannot go anytime home. So you have to communicate.
Many nowadays many boys and girls make reels, children and how many men, boys all scrolling the YouTube one by one. How to say पता नहीं चलता उसे.
They cannot analyze it
They
because they
cannot-
are kids. They can't understand.
They cannot.
They don't understand their valuable time is being wasted there, and gradually they are getting addicted as well.
So nowadays children's connected the mobile, children's weeping. So parents give the phone child.
It becomes their compulsion. They are under compulsion. They have to give.
He weeping. So
This is the type of blackmailing. It's a type of blackmailing that children they have started blackmailing their parents.
slowly habit for children increase the age.
They can't get to know, but they get addicted.
Yes.
When they get to know, it's too late.
Child age is increased or his or her concentrated power will be decreased.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Very nice point. If only the mental problem is the concern, so in that case, what happens? You see, number of the parents they are there. They do what exactly? They very badly treat their kids. Sometimes they demotivate their kids. They do not inspire. They every time keep scolding them, and sometimes very badly they treat with them, which also destroys their personality as well. So what about this thing? By this exactly they can get also mental sick. As far as mental problem or mental health, if we are making it concerned, so in that case many parents they are there, they do not mind it. Only being given the cell phone is not only one factor. If personality development is the concern point of us, so in that case we must focus on parenting as well. We have to go through the upbringing of our kids as well, how they are treated.
When parents punish her children, then they also get a mental problem and many types of problems.